Binomial expansion. Sixth question. In the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, the coefficients of pth and p plus 1th terms are respectively p and q. Then p plus q equal to. These are the options. The given expansion is 1 plus x whole power n. The coefficient of pth and p plus 1th terms are p and q. So, p equal to ncp minus 1. So, this is the coefficient of pth term in this expansion. Okay, and q is the coefficient of p plus 1th term. So, p plus 1th term coefficient is ncp. So, now take q by p. ncp by ncp minus 1. So, here in combinations we have one formula for this type of fraction. So, just observe p and p minus 1. The greatest one is p. So, write it in the denominator. So, to get the numerator answer, and you have to take the denominator subtraction, n minus of p minus 1. n minus of p minus 1. So, n minus p plus 1 by p. Okay. I'll write the formula NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to, here R is greater than R minus 1. So, first write R in the denominator. And to get the numerator answer, just do the subtraction of n and R minus 1. n minus of R minus 1. So, n minus R plus 1. So, both sides of p is cancelled. So, q equal to n minus p plus 1. Therefore, p plus q is n plus 1. So, n plus 1 is the answer. Next question. If the coefficients of 2r plus 1th term and r plus 1th term in 1 plus x whole power 42 are equal, then r is, here the coefficient of t 2r plus 1 equal to the coefficient of t r plus 1, r plus 1th term. So, t r plus 1. Both are equal. So, the coefficient of t 2r plus 1 is nc 2r. But here n is 42. So, nc 2r equal to tr plus 1. The coefficient is ncr. Subtract 1. 2r plus 1, subtract 1, you will get 2r. That is the coefficient. But n is 42. 42 C2r, 42 CR. Okay, we have one formula in combinations, that is NCR equal to NCS. Then either R equal to S or R plus CS equal to N. Okay, here n is the same, so we can use this formula. So, either 2r equal to r. So, this is not equal. So, we can take r plus s equal to n. So, 2r plus r equal to 42. 3r equal to 42. R equal to 14. If tr is rth term in this expansion, tr is the rth term, and if t3 equal to 7 t2, third term of this expansion equal to 7 times of second term in this expansion. So, given t3 equal to 7 t2, t3 third term. So, t3 equal to 8c2. Okay, take the first term 2x whole power 8 minus 2 and second term power 2. Okay, equal to 7 into t2. t2 from this expansion second term is 8c1 2 power x whole power 8 minus 1 4 power minus x whole power, directly enter the suffix. So, here 8c2 is 8 into 7 by 2 into 1. Okay, both sides 2 power x whole power 6, 2 power x whole power 6 can be cancelled, but here one extra 2 power x whole power 1 is there. Okay, here 4 power minus x whole square is also cancelled with 4 power minus x whole power 1 time. So it will be 4 power minus x whole power 1 time. Okay, and right side 7 into 8 c1 is 8. So 7, 8 cancelled. So 4 power minus x equal to this 2 goes to the right side. So 2 into 2 power x. So 4 power minus x can be written as 4 is 2 square whole power minus x. Nothing but minus 2x equal to 2 power 1. Bases are equal. So you can add the powers 2 power 1 plus x. So both sides bases are equal. So minus 2x equal to 1 plus x. So 3x equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 by 3. Next question. The coefficient of middle terms in the binomial expansion in powers of x of 1 plus alpha x whole power 4 and 1 minus alpha x whole power 6 is same. So the coefficients are same. Okay, middle terms. The coefficient of middle terms are same in these two expansions. So here the middle term coefficient will be 4c2. 4c2 because 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4. So the exact middle term will be, first write the middle terms, the coefficients of middle term in 1 plus alpha x whole power 4 and 1 minus alpha x whole power 6 are same. So the coefficient of middle term 4c2 alpha power 2. 4c2 alpha power 2. Only the coefficients we are writing, don't write x, equal to the coefficient of middle term of 1 minus alpha x whole power 6 is 6c3 and minus is there. First write minus and alpha power 3. 4c2. Here alpha square can be cancelled and 4c2 is 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 alpha square equal to minus 6c3. 6 into 5 into 4, 3 into 2 into 1 alpha cube. Okay, 4, 3. Both sides you can cancel 4 and 2. Okay, here 3 alpha square equal to minus, here also you can cancel, so minus 10 alpha cube. So 3 equal to minus 10 alpha. Alpha is minus 3 by 10. So minus 3 by 10 is the answer. Next question. The greatest term in 1 plus x whole power 15 when x equal to 1 by 2 is the greatest term, nothing but numerically greatest term in this expansion when x equal to 1 by 2. So numerically greatest term, so for that m equal to n plus 1 mod x by 1 plus mod x. Okay, this thing it is in the step function. Step function means you have to take the integer. So this should be integer, m should be integer. So if m is even integer, if m is integer, then the numerically greatest terms are tm plus 1. Okay, if m is not an integer, then numerically greatest term is just only 1, tm plus 1. So here we are finding m, n plus 1, n is 15, 15 plus 1 and mod x is 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, 16 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 cancelled, then 16 by 3. It is not an integer. So the answer for 16 by 3 is 5.3. But m is in step function. So step 5.3 is 5. Step function take only integer 5. So this is m. M is 5. So but